Is your dream to become an amazing tattoo artist, maybe work in a world-renowned shop, or even go all in and open your very own? Well, stick around because I've got a special treat that you're gonna absolutely love. I have created an entire course that teaches people how to tattoo for complete beginners to portrait professional. And I want to show you the first 30 days completely free. Yes, free. In fact, you don't even have to put in any bank details. I'm sick of people giving up on the dreams because they're constantly being turned down for apprenticeships, getting lost on YouTube, trying to find advice, or being told advice that's completely wrong. So I'm giving you the first 30 days absolutely free. And by the end of the 30 days, you'll have done a load of tattoos from start to finish. You'll be able to line correctly and fully understand what and why you're doing things a particular way. You'll have a deep understanding of the different shading methods to the point you'd be able to then explain them to somebody else. This is a complete step-by-step course that guides you every step of the way that anyone can follow. All you have to do is click the link below and follow the steps. I'm even going to be sending you all the stencils and list of things that you'll need to complete the 30 days. Again, totally free. Here's just some of the comments that people are saying that have followed the free course so far. When's the best time to start learning how to tattoo? I'll give you the answer straight away because it's so simple. The time is right now, and I'll see you over at the lessons.